Hi, I'm Kathy the maker. I made a cell phone stand. This tiny little sketchy became like this. I think with a CNC machine, woodworking turns more easy. I have never learned woodwork properly, even if I have few equipments for woodworking, such as table saw and circular saw. I don't use them often. With a CNC, I can make the designs to real products without using dangerous equipment. Making something with CNC is closer to matter of design than skill. These days, I'm trying to expand my business a little bit. I sell wooden decals for wall decoration and they are doing well. But I want to make some other interesting stuffs. So this week, I made a cell phone stand. It's not very popular in Korea that I live in, but I could find them as a best-selling item on Etsy. I've been thinking about to reduce using a phone at home these days. Since October last year, I'm posting feeds to Instagram and trying to make friends. So I got a bad habit that I keep seeing the phone until I fall asleep. With the phone stand, I might to keep my phone on the station and try not to touch it. I know there are a lot of people who use their phones even while they should not be used like me. By putting the phone on the station, they might can reduce the frequency of use. Because I cut it with CNC, it is very easy to make if the design is nicely done. It's just cut, sand, oil. Of course, sanding and oil requires some effort and time, but no need any dangerous skills. To give some difference in my design, I put my name on it. Small shops like I run can make personalized things easily. This is possible because small quantities are produced after ordering. I think it would be good to put not only an initial but also a company name or a logo. How do you think? This is a special phone stand just for me. I'm going to use it to put my phone, watch, car keys, pen and note. And sometimes I might use it as a book stand. When I was designing, I could not expect about how the angle would come out. The angle will change depending on the length of the back part. I'm pretty happy with the angle now, but it can change anytime by test it. I'm going to continue to refine the design and make better one next time. As you may have noticed, English is not my native language, so you must be uncomfortable and awkward when you listen. But I want to be friends with makers in the world like you through YouTube. So please think of this as a process of getting closer to you. If you want to be my friend, please subscribe my channel and I will see you on next video.